Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the CyberPower PC Scorpion K1 RGB Mechanical Keyboard. Let's crack this open. CyberPower PC Scorpion K1 RGB Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. This thing is crazy. It's designed for performance gaming with multicolor lighting, pro level performance, contact blue key switches. This thing is ridiculous. RGB 15 million color LED individual key backlights.
Subtitle, zip it.
Super sturdy metal construction and contact blue key mechanical switches. Alright, let's unbox this thing and set it up and take a look. Okay, here it is unboxed and plugged in. As you can see, it's metal. The keys make noise. Not too bad if you got a headset on. But what do you expect from a mechanical keyboard? The different lighting patterns are amazing. The trick of it is you just hit function, page down. So as you type the keys, it changes colors. Everything is going to be function and delete, and page down, page up, home, insert, print screen, screen lock, and pause. So like function home, function insert, function print screen does this one here. I think it's kind of cool. The function screen lock does this crazy thing with the lights here. Now you can adjust the speeds by doing function and then plus and minus key. And then function pause does this trailing one, which is pretty fun. I actually did a video of what this looks like at night. It'll be coming up in just a minute. Yeah, just more CyberPower goodies. For an extra $5 here and there for a good keyboard or mouse, you can't go wrong because people usually go through those pretty fast. And like I said, this one's pretty nice, especially with all the different abilities. There we go. That's one light. I want to give you guys a good view of what this keyboard does at night. If you hold function and page down, it does this where you can tap different keys and it lights up in different colors. Function and then turns it like this. Function delete, make it switch different colors. This is that CyberPower Scorpion keyboard. It's LED. Function page up. It's pretty scanning colors. Function home. Every time you hit a key, it does like a wave. Function insert does a slow color change. Function pause. Makes it do the trail. That one's cool. I actually like that one a lot. Plus it goes good with the red theme I got kind of going here. Function scroll lock. Does the crazy color waves. Now you can increase or decrease the speeds of this too, by the way. And then function print screen has it do the funky wave. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe so you can stay up to date with the latest videos that I'm putting out. I try to put out videos at least once a week, sometimes 2 and 3 times a week. Stick around, you're really going to enjoy yourself.